After years of delay and daily traffic frustration, drivers between Pampanga and Nueva Ecija may finally be getting the break they've been waiting for.
The DPWH announced the San Agustin Bridge in Arayat, Pampanga is finally on track for completion soon. The project had been stalled for 8 years before the DPWH discovered the incomplete structure in December 2025. DPWH Secretary Vince Dizon personally inspected the bridge as part of a directive from President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. to fast-track all stagnant infrastructure projects across the country.
Biniginan tayo ni Presidente na ang priority ngayon ng DPWH, tapusin yung lahat ng mga nakatenga. And ito, kilagang-kilala nyo itong San Agustin Bridge. Kasi 8 years na itong nakatenga. 8 years nagdurusa yung mga kababayan natin dito, natatraffic sila, tapos nakikita nila tulay na putol. 8 years. Kaya kung maalala nyo, nung bago pa lang ako ng DPWH, nandito tayong lahat, muntik na ako magpatiwakal dito. Sa galit, sabi ko, ayoko na mag-DPWH, mapakamatay na rin ako. Kasi nga, grabe, 8 years, ganito. So ngayon, nakakatuwa lang na kung magtulong-tulong lahat, national government, provincial government, local government, lahat magtulong-tulungan, ang bilis ng progress natin dito. And sinabihan ako ng RD natin na in 5 months, finally, after 9 years, no, matatapos na itong San Agustin Bridge.
The DPWH aims to fully complete the bridge within the next 5 months. Officials credited the sudden breakthrough to close coordination with local government units, which helped resolve long-standing right-of-way issues that originally paralyzed construction. During the visit, infrastructure teams also inspected local flood management systems, including a collapsed dike in Barangay Katanding and ongoing sheet piling works in Barangay Kupang to shield neighboring communities from flood risks.
Once the bridge opens, the route is expected to cut travel time and give commuters and cargo haulers a safer, smoother link between Pampanga and Nueva Ecija.